Enjoy the view of this 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.